Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is 10 Python one-liners that will just blow your mind. So Python isn't just powerful, it's elegant. With a few clever tricks, you can write entire tasks in a single line of code, from reversing strings to building dictionaries, even solving problems that usually take multiple steps. So today we are going to see 10 Python one-liners that will make you rethink what's possible with so little code. So let's start this. So the first one is reverse a string. So here this is Python's slicing trick that reverses the order of elements, and it works for string, list, tuples and anything indexable. So let's see the output. So as we can see, in just one line it reversed the string. And now we'll move on to the second one. So second one is swap two variables without a temp variable. So here we'll see the second one. So here Python allows tuple unpacking in one step, no need for a temporary variable like other languages. So now let's see the output. So as we can see the output, and now we'll move on to the third one. So the third one is check if a string is palindrome or not. So in this we'll check the list or the string is palindrome or not. So here a palindrome reads the same forward and backward, and this one-liner checks that instantly using slices. So let's see the output. So as we can see, it returned true, hence the string is palindrome. So it was so easy for us to check. And now we'll move on to the fourth one, which is count frequency of each element in a list. So here counter automatically tallies occurrences of each element, which is super useful for text or categorical data analysis. And now we'll see the output. So here we can see the output of this, and similarly now we'll move on to the fifth one. So the fifth one is get all even numbers from a list. So here we have created a list, and now we'll print the even numbers from the list. So here list comprehension makes filtering data effortless, all in one line, no loops needed. So now let's see the output of this. So here we can see all the even numbers printed here. So this made us so easy for even numbers to find. And now we'll move on to the sixth one. So the sixth one is flatten a nested list. So firstly we'll create list. So here is the list we created, and now we'll flatten it. So here this nested comprehension pulls every element out of its sublist, which is perfect for data cleanup or matrix operation. And now we'll see the output. So as we can see, the list is flattened. So now we'll move on to the seventh one, which is find the factorial of a number. So here we'll use math. For that we'll import math module. So the math module handles complex math operation in one line, no need for manual loops. So let's see the output. So as we can see, it printed the factorial of 5. And now we'll move on to the eighth one. So which is find common elements between two lists. So firstly we'll define two lists. So here we have defined two lists, and now find the common elements in the list. So here set A and set B finds the intersection of two sets, one of Python's most elegant features. So now let's see its out. So here we can see the common elements in both the list. It printed very easily. And now we'll move on to the next one, which is ninth one, which is get unique elements and sort them. So for that also we'll create a list first. So here we have created a list. So here set function removes duplicates and sorted function orders them, the cleanest way to duplicate a list. So now let's see its output. So as we can see, the output is very simple. And now we'll move on to the last one, which is 10th one, and it is one-liner FizzBuzz, which is the classic interview question. Here for multiplies 3 it is print fizz, and for multiplies of 5 it is print buzz. For both print it is FizzBuzz. This compact line uses list comprehension, logical short circuiting, a Pythonist delight. So let's see the output of this. So here you can see the output of this one-liner FizzBuzz. So these one-liners prove why Python is called the language of elegance and power. With just few characters, you can simplify complex logic, reduce code clutter, and write faster, more readable Python script. So a pro tip is this: start incorporating one-liners gradually into your workflow, not just for fun, but to understand how Python features like list comprehension, unpacking, and set operations makes your code both shorter and smarter. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.